Hello friends, this video is based on HGU voice service in HSGQ G01 OLT. Okay, log into the web page using root and admin. The system already have built-in function of ONU auto registration. We only need a zip profile to be created. Enter profile name, profile ID, and all particular parameters for your voice server. Click apply to commit changes. Let's turn on real-time notifications. Plug in the PON fiber and wait for ONU auto registration. Okay, it's good to go now. OLT have started ONU registration. Let's open the ONT table. Click ONT setting and open the ONU details. Let's do ONT IP configuration first. Click setting, select IP type to DHCP, enter VLAN ID and click apply. Let's finally do SIP configuration. Click setting, set ports ID, set IP interface, enter username, password, phone number, display name, and select SIP profile. That's all. ONU has been configured for voice service. Let's now confirm the service in ONT web page. Let's verify the phone number assignment. Thank you for being with us. Visit hsgq.com not only for product queries, also for support and solutions.